Mix soap with popcorn, and you'll never have this one problem again. It's an amazing trick that can help a lot of people. Make some popcorn and pour it into a bowl. Let it cool down. Get a sealable container ready. Crush some of the popcorn into it. Take a regular bar of soap and grate it as finely as possible. You don't need a lot. Add it to the popcorn. The next ingredient is baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons to the mix. Close the container and shake it well to combine all the ingredients. Your mixture is ready. This is an excellent poison for cockroaches and mice. The smell of the popcorn attracts them. While eating the popcorn, they also consume the soap and baking soda. They can't digest this mixture because of the soap and baking soda. Just take a small amount and place it wherever cockroaches or mice might show up. They especially like places like the cabinet near the trash, since that's where they're usually looking for food. Be sure to use this trick during the warmer months. That's when they show up the most.